Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport. If you have a Volkswagen or Audi that you install a aftermarket video PCM or aftermarket radio like this, and your camera does not work, and you only had this one here, you only had the CANBUS like that, comes with this model here, Android, you need to buy this part here. You need to buy this one here. Alright, you need to buy that, which that part connects to that wire there. It's very important. And then you got to connect the rest of the wire. Pretty much the yellow, it says black B+, and the ground is for that box there. So you got to buy an extra box, an adapter for the camera to make it work, because usually the Android comes only with this one and that one, and then you have a screen like that and you're wondering what the hell's going on and you're going crazy. Okay, so what you gotta do, you need to buy that extra box there, which that box connects to this part here. Alright, that part there, and it's already ready. The only thing you need to actually wire up is you gotta wire up the actual reverse. There's a little red wire there, it comes up from that box. There's 3 wires you gotta actually wire it up, connected. So the power wire B+, just connect them to the extra existing CANBUS. This one here, actually turn that one off. Alright, your existing CANBUS box, the yellow one here, sorry, the yellow wire there, and the black wire there is battery positive is yellow, and earth is the black one there, those two there. Alright, so you can run your 2 wires to there, and then the other one just says reverse backup like that, which connects to your reverse wire, which is comes with the CANBUS. The whole harness, you can connect it to the reverse wire. Say reverse on this one here, that wire there connects straight to there, and there's camera in, so there's one more wire for your camera. That camera there connects to the camera in, that one there. So if I connect those two, watch this. It's very important. Sorry, I'm trying to do everything with one hand. So it's hard to do everything with one hand, but just got to push this in like that. And look at that. You've got your camera now. Sorry about that. So now you got your camera. Now you got the video feed into the actual Android PCM, and now you have reverse camera. So remember, every Android PCM comes with that box there, CANBUS. On Audi, Volkswagen, if you have a plug like that, that plug plugs into your radio, original radio. So you got to buy the adapter for that plug, which is this one here, and just only got 3 wires to connect. So the yellow one is battery positive for that box, yellow is battery positive, black is earth, and the red one says reverse on it, backup camera or backup reverse camera, connects to your reverse camera wire that comes with the actual harness. And the only thing you got to connect is your video wire, your camera. There you go, camera wire goes into video in. Very important, video in must be connected to that. Once you do that, pretty much everything will be normal like this. Okay, so thanks. Hopefully this will help somebody out there. Sorry, I should have done that from the beginning, so it's nice and easy to show, but pretty much that's all you gotta do. And make sure you tidy up your wires, make sure it's nice and neat before you put it back in. Make sure you put everything back into here. Make sure you test your radio and everything else. You can just put the antenna there, it will still work. You don't have to run it to there, you don't need to. Okay, thanks for watching, and please guys, click on the likes and help my channel out so I can get some more subscribers and more views for the future, so I can do more videos like this. If you're wondering where we are, we're in Australia, Carringbah, New South Wales. Give us a call for your Audi. We specialize Audi and Volkswagen and Porsche, on pretty much all European. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.